I'm so excited now to show you the next killer feature, which is Insta Solve. Instant Solve. Exactly what it is. Ask any doubt. You don't have to wait for the teacher to wake up. You don't have to worry about what will the teacher think. You just feel free. Ask like your best friend. Hey Ved, how to solve this equation? Any kind of doubt, all the subjects knowledge Ved has. For example, crazy integration problem is there. I don't know, Ved. You don't even have to type it. You just take a photo of it. Sir, does it have to be a printout? No, bro. You just need to have handwritten formula also, handwritten equation question also. Ved will understand. It understands your so-called bad handwriting also. Ved will analyze it, give step-by-step solutions and so much more. Because just giving solution, sir, that to ChatGPT will also give. But Ved does more than that. It can also give you hints. Because not every time you want a solution. Sometimes you just want the final answer and you want to figure out the solution. Sometimes you just want some shortcuts. Sometimes you want, okay, if this doubt I have, then what more topics do I need to study? All of this Ved can show you. So let me quickly demonstrate this to you on the screen. Come, follow me quickly. Wow, I'm super excited now to try out the second skill which Ved has. And I think it should be mind-blowing because the name itself is like Insta Solve, Instant Solve. So just go to the homepage and click on Insta Solve and this particular screen pops up and it's asking, Ved is asking, show me a detailed solution, give me a hint, give me the answer key. Oh, how do I ask this particular question? By multiple ways. Either I can use the camera button and I can scan any handwritten question, text, whatever theory, concept of textbook, anything. Or if I have an image, like I said, maybe your girlfriend has asked you a question and you want to sound very smart, right? So you just download that question and go to the photos and maybe this is the message which you got from your so-called crush. And now what you're going to do, you're going to select the area which has to be scanned and you just say done. And it starts uploading the image and you say, okay, send. Yes, it's a doubt by I think on physics. I say submit. It's now analyzing, it's thinking how to solve, what are the tricks, what are the hints. Ved is thinking, and in a couple of seconds, there you go, the final answer is here. It's also giving me a detailed step-by-step solution. And not just that, Ved also tells me you can sound super cool and super smart by telling what concepts are involved. So it's not just giving the final answer, a solution and a detailed step-by-step guide, but also which topics I should study. So, because if I'm not getting it, I should know, right, from where, which chapter it is coming from. And see, at the end of the day, JEE exam is all about solving it smartly in a very limited time. So you should know what are the shortcut tricks. And many a times, shortcut tricks are not disclosed. You just know a standard procedural solution. So Ved knows, because it has analyzed so many books, it has studied more than any of us, more than any of the students or more than any of the toppers. So Ved knows what are those shortcuts. Not just that, Ved also knows what kind of mistakes students do. So what should you be careful with in that question? Isn't it super cool? I don't think ChatGPT Gemini does that. And also the prerequisites. Bro, to study this topic, you will need these topics also. Only then you can study these topics. So it's giving me a holistic picture about it, and if you want to interact with it more, obviously you can ask a follow-up question and it will accordingly answer it. I think Ved is super duper cool, bro.